What's up, traders? Going 2 for 2 today. Let's get to it. All right, traders, as always, we're going to go over these in 2x speed. We're just going to jump right into it. QFIN was our first trade. You can see right here there was some previous resistance sitting here from yesterday's after hours as well as the pre-market today. This line that we drew here at 1987 was a line that we found right there off the hourly. So when it went right up to it, that's kind of what we were looking for through that $0.50 at 1950. And then we're just looking for it to come back down and give us that 19 test. And it almost gets there. You can see we got a good entry here. It doesn't end up going any higher. Or I guess it tried to go about the same. You can hear the kids in the background. Sorry. But it does come down, finally gets through 50. It does come down. You can see it gets to 27. I think, I was going to say it gets pretty close, gets to 20. I realized it's not giving us that flush down that we were looking for. So we went ahead and just took it off. Pretty good trade there right at the bell. Wasn't going to be too upset about that. Our second trade was on Skills, SKLZ. This one was pretty standard. You can see the high of day from yesterday, 1078. I started watching this. It came up on the scanner down here around like 1065, 1070. And I wasn't interested just because we were right near that double top area from the high of yesterday. So I told myself if we could get up there around 11, which was a key area on the hourly as well. I think there was one at like 11, 1130, and 1150. So anything through 11, I was actually pretty confident in starting this, especially since it was all on this move pretty much going straight up. So you'll see it comes up, it goes through 11. I was really hoping it would poke through a little bit more, but it didn't. It started the jiggle right there on the other side. I didn't want to miss being in on the north side of 11. We actually got filled at 11.005. So you can see it does end up going a little bit higher. It kind of toys around here. It wasn't enough for us to get an ad up around 1120, 1125 is where I was looking for an ad based off of those levels on the hourly. I'm not sure if it gets high enough so we can even see that level I had drawn. No, it doesn't. It does end up coming back down. We end up splitting this order because I wanted to see if we could get that move all the way back down, because this was, if you look at the daily, this was somewhat of a dead cat bounce. So due to it being almost a dead cat bounce, I figured this could drop all the way back down towards that $10 area and possibly even go lower. So I end up switching this to taking 50 of the 75 off, looking for those 25 to come all the way back down here. But unfortunately, that's not what ends up happening. It does come down and get us at 1088 for these 50 shares. And then as you can see right there, we get that flush down through. And then I put the extras. You can see it's a little bit above our average, but I was trying to get above this previous candle because that's exactly where usually when it breaks that candle, it's going to, curl back up and end up going high of day. So you're going to see, we're going to fast forward here a little bit, get towards the end of the trade, and you can see it's starting to curl up here. I wish I could zoom in so you could see kind of what it looks like, because I might do it here. There we go. So you can see it's starting to curl. It tried to go a little bit lower, but once we get above that candle, you're going to see it not only stop us out, but then that's where it really starts to go, because that's kind of what everyone's looking for, especially because it went through a whole dollar. It's just a prime spot to start a little bit of a squeeze, to get back up there towards high of day. And I do believe this goes high of day. Yep. And there's the line that you see I had drawn at 1130. So that was our two trades. Nothing too special. It was a pretty slow Friday. Can't really complain too much though. Getting a couple trades in on a slow day like today. I feel like today was the worst day out of the whole week, and this week has just been miserable. I think we ended up with a little over one daily goal for the entire week. So green is green. Just hoping for the market to pick up a little bit. And we're going to talk about that a little bit tonight at the Friday night live stream. We'll be there at 9 o'clock Eastern. Got my Mai Tai ready to go. And hopefully I'll see you there. If I don't see you there, don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great weekend. And I'll see you Monday morning. Peace.